You'll have Wednesday down. So, doing this here, obviously, you guys don't have paper in front of you unless you printed this out. This is gonna help us this is gonna help us decide and look at whether something is a function or not. So we have these vending machines here, and what I want you to do on your paper is say you put in, I want you to write this down, say you put in 30 cents into this vending machine. Draw an arrow and say what you would get out. What food? Should be an apple. And if you plug in, say, 70 cents, what would 70 cents get you in this vending machine? Pause the video, figure it out. Should be a piece of cake. So this vending machine is pretty cheap, pretty good. Now, what about this vending machine though? Let's say you plug in 30 cents into this vending machine. What would you get out? Pause the video. Think about it. Now, I don't know about you, but I got apple. Hopefully you got that too. Now, though, what if you plugged in 75 cents? What would that get you? Pause the video, figure it out. Now, when I plugged in 75 cents, I got this soda. But couldn't you get something else? Couldn't you get this? Couldn't you get this water bottle? Yeah, you could get two things. So I want you to draw two arrows coming from 75 cents. You could also get a water. Now, here's a question for you. Which vending machine do you think is better? Which vending machine do you think is better? / works. I would say that the first vending machine is better. It works. If you plug in one thing, you know what you're going to get out. With this one, it's not really working. It's not really functioning because if you plug in 75 cents right here, you're not sure what you're going to get out. And that, boys and girls, is what a function is all about. A function is a relationship This is key. This is the formal definition where each input, and our inputs are x, has exactly one output. So if you plug in 30 cents, that's our input. You can only get out one thing. And that's the apple. Over here, though, for a relation, if you plug in 75 cents, you can either get a soda or a water. So that's not a function. So what you want right here is you can get rid of relation there. You can cross that out. Really just write, this is not a function. It's not functioning. You don't know exactly what you're going to get out. So that's kind of how you can think about whether something's a function or not. So let's take an example here and determine if the following are functions. That's all we got for the rest of the day. So, is this one a function? Well, these are our inputs. These are our outputs. Just ask yourself, does each input go to one output? Yeah. 1, what number does 1 go to? 1 goes to 2. How many numbers does 1 go to? Just 1. It only goes to 1. 3 only goes to the number 5. 6 only goes to the number 9. 10 only goes to the number 12. So this is yes. Each input goes to one output. All right, what about this next one here? We have inputs, which are x's, 10, 20, 30, and 40. 10 goes to what number? 15. 20 goes to what number? If you follow the arrow, 20 goes to 45. Now, it's not going directly across, but that doesn't matter. All that matters is that it's going to one number. Same thing for the 30. And same thing for the 40. So since each input over here goes to one number, we say yes. It is a function. All right, what about letter C? Pause the video. Think what the answer to C is be. Is it a function or is it not a function? Okay, C should be yes. It is. It is a function. Wait, but there's two things going to -8. That's fine. It's all about these numbers over here. -6. How many numbers is -6 going to? Well, if you follow the arrow, it's only going to -8. How many numbers is 1 going to? It's only going to one number. It's going to -8. They can go to the same number, but this number, this number, this number, this number, they can only go to one number, and they all do. So it is a function. As opposed to D. Because what's the problem with D? Which input? It's 2. If you look at 2, it's going to 40 and 20. We're not sure what we're going to get out. We're not sure we're going to get out. Just like the vending machine where the 75 went to the soda and the water. It's not a function. We're not sure what we're going to get out. This one is no. All right, here. A few more, then I'm going to let you guys try. Letter A here. Now we're given a table, but it's the same idea. These are our inputs, our x's. These are our outputs. So we'll look. Do any of the x's repeat? Nope. 0 goes to 5. -1 goes to 4. We're all good there. That is a function. B, if you look at B here, I know we have two number 1s, but that's fine because x is only going to one number. So this is also yes. And then right here, should be a comma. Now these are ordered pairs here. So this is kind of trickier to tell if something's a function, but all you really got to do is look at your xy numbers. Do the x's repeat? Does 75 go to, two different things? Well, if you make a quick table here, xy, you got 1, 1, 4, 9, 7, 1. Yeah, all these numbers over here only go to one number, so yes, that is still a function. All right. I want you guys to try these last 5 here. So pause the video, take a look at those. Just want to see yes or no whether these relations are functions. You're looking for, as a hint, does x repeat? If x repeats, that means not a function. All right. So give those a shot. Resume the video when you're ready to see the answers. Okay, the answers here should be 1. Yes, it is a function. If you look, -1 goes to 2, 0 goes to 2, 1 goes to -3, 2 goes to -2, and 8 goes to 3. Just following the line. Each input over here goes to one number, so it is a function. Number 2, on the other hand, if you look at, there's a number on the input that's going to two different numbers. This 5 is being repeated because it's going to the 2 and the 9. So that should be no. Next one, number 3. Is this a function? We have ordered pairs here. And if we look, I know there's some zeros being repeated, but that's fine because those are our y values. Those can repeat. This is still a function. All right, and then if we look at question 4, again, only the y's repeat, so is yes, it's a function. And number 5, you should look right here. The x's repeat, so it is, look right here. Definitely write that down. Does x repeat? Not a function. So this should be no. It's not a function because the x number goes to more than one output. This is like 8 going to 5 and -7. Can't happen. All right, so I hope that video makes sense. You do have an assignment to do. It's very short. If you have any questions, please let me know. And have a great rest of your day. Remember about that parent letter. Thank you.